UK's airspace is one of the most complex in the world, and the CAA must ensure that our emerging technologies integrate into the airspace in a safe manner.
Working with the government's Future of Flight programme, we're looking to see how we can introduce new aircraft into that complexity. New aircraft such as electric vertical takeoff and landing, or eVTOL, which have the potential to offer lower cost journeys, lower carbon journeys and greater connectivity across the UK.
For any new technology, ensuring its safety is an absolute requirement for it to succeed commercially and benefit society. And for emerging technologies like eVTOLs, we need to take a systems thinking approach to identify potential interaction, the associated risk, and mitigate them.
To enable this, the UK Civil Aviation Authority has partnered with WMG, the University of Warwick, to identify the high priority areas where eVTOL regulations need developing, and that's where we've used a new research approach called Systems Theoretic Process Analysis, or STPA.
Unlike traditional linear safety analysis approaches, STPA uses systems thinking, which allows you to holistically view the airspace and analyze the interactions between hardware, software, human operators and organizations. Through this four-step process, we model the interactions between the various stakeholders for eVTOL operations, identifying unsafe situations and recommending potential solutions to ensure safety.
Over the past 18 months, by working closely with the UK's eVTOL Safety Leadership Group, we brought together key stakeholders through a range of technical workshops to ensure we address real-life challenges with feasible solutions.
At Bristow Group, we have more than 75 years of experience of flying helicopters and other types of aircraft. And that experience is absolutely essential as we move into new and revolutionary advanced air mobility operations. And it is essential that the industry itself collectively brings together those lessons of the past to ensure that we operate safely in the future. The eVTOL Safety Leadership Group, of which I'm the co-chair, is a key part of that process and has been set up to bring both industry and regulators together to incubate those safety management systems and safety processes to enable the operations. The STPA is an incredibly important part of that process and systematically identifies procedures and processes that need to be put in place in order to operate safely. And I'm incredibly pleased to have been part of that process.
This is incredibly important work for the future of the industry in the UK, and as Skyports looks to start to build vertiports across Britain, this work has been absolutely foundational to allowing us to understand some of the risks and complexities which may be involved in deploying that infrastructure.
The STPA project has enabled the CAA to look at risk and complexity in a different way, to elicit the unknown unknowns in a complex system. In doing so, we've managed to find upwards of 50 priority findings that are enabling us now to look at our rule-making programme and engagement with the industry in a slightly different way.
Through this project, we have demonstrated the immense power and benefits of collaboration between industry, academia, and regulators, driving impact underpinned by strong research evidence to help make our airspace safe for all users.